Hi everyone, welcome to today's sketch with me. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm really happy that you're here. I thought I would use today's video to take the opportunity to introduce myself a little bit. I haven't actually done that yet in any of my videos. Today's video is just quite a chill video. I just wanted to get some sketching practice in, so it was very quick, not very detailed. And I didn't spend longer than a couple of minutes, I don't think, on each drawing. I chose to sketch some red pandas today, and the reference photos you can find on a Pinterest board with today's date on it, which is the 26th of January 2025. Yeah, so anyway, while I'm drawing, I thought I would just talk a little bit about myself and where I'm from and my goals for this channel, why I started this YouTube channel. And just basically I'm going to talk about myself, which I find really difficult and uncomfortable, so please bear with me. My name is Paula. I'm from Birmingham in the UK, but I actually live in the northwest of Spain in what used to be my grandmother's house. My mom's family is from here, and I moved here in 2002. I'm a mum to 2 teenage boys, and I have a cat and a couple of dogs. I do consider myself an animal artist. It's just what I prefer to draw or paint. I don't really paint that much. I prefer to use pencils, either graphite or coloured, and every now and then a ballpoint pen. I don't like painting because of the preparation and the cleanup afterwards, but I would like to experiment more with paint, with different mediums, acrylics or oils. I have done one video where I tried acrylic painting, and I just used blue and white because I was scared of the colour mixing. But it went quite well and I was happy with the results, so it does make me want to keep experimenting, at least with acrylics for now. One of the reasons I started this YouTube channel was to push myself to explore new things, either new subjects or new mediums, and as a way to keep myself accountable and to also document my journey. And so far it's working. I've already tried a few new subjects and a few new mediums, so I'm happy, even if I don't have that many people watching yet. My goals for the channel at the moment would be to just build a community and get to know other artists or people that enjoy watching artists work. And I kind of want to show people that it's never too late to try something new, and if you have something on your mind that you think you'd like to try, you might as well just do it. It'll help with confidence and self-esteem, and you never know where you could end up. At the moment I don't have that many followers, only 30 something, but I'm extremely grateful for each and every one of them. But hey, I'm just starting and it's all still very new to me. I'm still learning and it's still a bit of a struggle at the moment, especially doing these voiceovers. With today's sketches, I just wanted to do quick, very simple, suggestive sketches, nothing too detailed, but I knew I wanted to add colour to at least one of the sketches. And I'm glad I did add colour because I think the sketches kind of look more like raccoons, and if it weren't for the colour that I added, we couldn't really tell that they were red pandas. But like I said, it was just a quick sketching session. I haven't been drawing much lately, so I'm glad I managed to set time aside to do some sketching, even if it's just very simple. In today's video, I'm using a sketchbook that I designed and made myself. I mentioned it in my sketchbook tour. I will eventually make a video about how it works, but there are still a few things that I need to tweak before I can show everyone. That's pretty much all I have to say for today's video, so I'll stop now and just let you watch the rest. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!